Is how to customize control center on your iPhone. You can easily customize, add and remove control center items. Go to settings of your page, tap on control center, and here scroll down, included controls here. And if you want to add more controls, then tap on plus signs from this list. Simply tap on any controls you want to add in control centers, tap on plus sign, and your alarm will successfully added. If you want to remove any item, simply click on minus sign and tap on remove. Apps will be removed and it will removed from included controls.